For years, he was a ghost, a name that made communities nervous, a face on a wanted list, a man who had escaped from prison and spent months evading law enforcement, leaving a trail of crime and fear across Manchester and beyond. This week, his run came to an end. Manchester's most wanted man was shot and killed in a confrontation with police in South Trelawney on Thursday. Reports say he was one of 8 inmates who had broken out of a police station lockup back in 2023. Since then, he had been linked to multiple crimes, including murders and shootings. He had been on the run for years. And for years, the communities he terrorized had been living with that fear. A police officer was shot during the confrontation, but was saved by his bulletproof vest. He was taken to hospital for examination. 2 other individuals at the scene were also taken into custody in connection with the incident. For the families of his victims, for the communities that lived in fear, Thursday's news brings a complicated kind of relief, not celebration, not joy, but a quiet, heavy exhale, the kind that comes when something dark has finally been removed from the equation. Jamaica's fight against crime is long. It is painful. It is costly. But every once in a while, the law catches up. And on Thursday in Trelawney, it did.